You feel that? You feel that? That's some air. I feel the air because this is the iPad Air. Okay, that was very bad. What is going on, guys? My name is Elías, also known as the Lemon Boy, and today we will be unboxing the brand new iPad Air. Like an iPad Pro, but it's called Air basically. I'm very excited to actually test this out. Okay, so the brand new iPad Air has 10.9 inches. It's got a metal chassis, and there it is. I will not be checking it out yet because we have to check out what's in the box. We got designed by Apple in California. We got a power brick, something that we do not get on the brand new iPhone 12 Pros. We got a USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it for what's in the box. Oh wait, hold on. We gotta check out pamphlets, instruction manual stuff. Haha, Apple stickers. We got 2 Apple stickers. Here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the one, the only iPad Air. All right, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, this is rose gold. I want a gold iPad Pro. This is the least that I can have. 1, 2, 3. This never gets old, baby. One of the new things is Touch ID, and that's so cool. So Apple has actually implemented Touch ID in the power button. So I mean, Face ID is better, but of course you're gonna have to get the iPad Pro for that. But here we go. I guess you would just unlock it like that, or you can just do like that. Face ID is way better on the iPad, but I mean, it's so cool. It's so amazing that Apple has actually implemented, Touch ID in the power button. Probably the best thing on the iPad Air is that it's basically an iPad Pro now. That means that the Apple Pencil 2 just snaps in right there, and then you get all the amazing accessories that you get on the iPad Pro, on the iPad Air now. So this is seriously incredible. The amount of value that the iPad Air has is amazing. I honestly don't see myself recommending the iPad Pro to a lot of people now because the iPad Air. This is the ultimate productivity tool for all students. I mean, look at that. This is an iPad Air. It feels like an iPad Pro, but it's an Air. iPad Air also packs the A14 Bionic chip. So yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing of the iPad Air. Who is this for? It's practically for everybody. It's an iPad for everybody. This can of course replace your laptop. I will be testing this out. I will be doing a bunch of comparisons. Stay tuned, get hype, and I'll see you in all those content. So thanks for watching, and I will see you and all those unboxing. Also, I have unboxed the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. So if you guys want to go ahead and watch those videos, they are linked right here. Yeah. Peace.